A Minnesota woman who swims topless in Lake Superior has sparked quite a debate over that state's indecent exposure law.
Yeah, just recently somebody called the cops on her while she was sunbathing topless. Now, what happened next could lead to some big changes with how the state defines nudity.
Michelle Bennett has been going topless at a Lake Superior park for years and never had problems until last month.
A woman approached me after about 20 minutes of laying in the sun without a top on, saying that I was making her children uncomfortable.
Bennett declined, so the woman called police. Bennett was later approached by a Duluth officer who didn't know if he could arrest her.
He heard that someone had been refusing to put a top on and that it wasn't a nude beach. I pointed out to him that I wasn't nude, I was topless.
Bennett referred the officer to the Minnesota law that says a person can't publicly expose their private parts. But that same law doesn't say if a woman's breasts fall under that category. A separate Minnesota law does say, however, nudity includes a woman's breasts. But nudity is only defined as illegal if you're presenting it to an audience. Bennett says she wasn't doing this for an audience and because of that, wasn't breaking the law.
I wasn't being lewd. I was just laying in the sun, minding my own business.
It's why police chose not to arrest her.
In the end, they really couldn't establish whether or not I was breaking a law because of that ambiguous language.
Police say because of the law's ambiguity, each individual situation is determined by how much of a disturbance it's causing.
If there's people that are around that are feeling uncomfortable with behavior that's attached to a law stating that that behavior it isn't legal, then that's a point to step in.
Bennett eventually did put her top back on that day, but after the incident, she reached out to the Duluth mayor and the city attorney.
Unanimously, I think we'd like that language to be clarified and for the police officers to all be aware of what the actual law is.
Hoping to make a change regarding the vague laws so she doesn't run into that experience again.